Hello everyone. Sorry here. Thank you so much for joining me for another unboxing of the Buttons Galore and more. This is the next one that I received, and it did come fairly quickly after the one I had just shown you, but that's because of when I had purchased the subscription. These come every other month, so we shall be able to hopefully use this more than before the next box. Okay, and then we'll open this up on the side here so we don't see what's in there. We do get a coupon for 10% off if I would like to buy more. So the first thing we have here is some flower posies, and these are buttons. It looks kind of fun. Come in some blue, pinks, greens, spring colors, and yellows there too. Then we have some cozy brads here. And it looks like it's made like almost like corduroy. We got some orange, pink, and blue ones in there. We also have spring fancy buttons. Oh, those are pretty fancy buttons if I don't say so myself. I do say so myself. Oh, I like this. This is a beautiful sequence mix. I love these little white pieces in there. This is called Cactus. So you can go on their website, and I'm sure they have this. This is really nice. I really like this. Perfect for, well, spring, but I'm thinking, oh no, there's pink in there. So yeah, let's just, ooh, like bunnies in grass. That's what I'm thinking. And here's a box exclusive pastel party mix. These are really shiny. Like little gems. And we have some garden party sprinkles. And these are just very vibrant flowers. All these different colors. I think that's the clay polymer. And then we have a new spring release. I don't know if they have a name. I'm not sure. Flatback something or others. But they're these adorable butterflies. Those are really pretty. Look at that. They actually have some quite good detail on them. Really cool. And then we have another box exclusive. Or is that another one or is it the same? Yeah, another one. So it doesn't have a name on it, but it's just a bunch of spring-themed little whatchamacallums. I just seem to be lack of words. I'm overwhelmed with how awesome everything looks that I don't know how to speak anymore. But either way, they're really pretty. And then the last thing in this collection is a free gift, and this is the Lilac Lanes Premium Sequence. And they have a lot of little flowers in different colors and shapes and sizes. There we go. So this is called the Hello Spring Box. I can see it right there. Hello Spring Box. This is what you get if you want to get the subscription right now. And I believe it's every 2 months a new box will come. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll be able to create something with this, sorry for the glare, more than I did so far with the last box. But to be fair, I didn't have as much time because I ordered it much later. And I'm going to hold on to that excuse so that hopefully I do something with this so I don't use the same excuse next time. But I love it all. I really do. It's really pretty stuff. You get a nice variety of sequences and mixes. And the brads and buttons, that's just all this fun stuff to play with and to really try new things. That's what I'm excited about, is trying new things. And apparently buttons were a huge phase or a huge fad before I started crafting. So I missed it, but I'm now in it. So thank you so much for joining me, and let's get crafting. I'll talk to you all later. Bye.